everyone, my name is Whitney and I'm a registered dental hygienist here to do a quick tutorial for you on how to use teeth whitening strips. So let's talk. First, step one is to read the directions. Every whitening product is different and will have different instructions. This one does say to brush your teeth first. There is some debate on whether or not you should use toothpaste when you're brushing before whitening. You do you. Brush with toothpaste or brush with just water. Whatever. Either way, it's not that serious. Sometimes I don't use toothpaste just to save money on toothpaste. But something you should absolutely always do is floss beforehand. Get rid of any particles or debris between your teeth because that gunk will interfere with your whitening. So step two is brush and floss. Now step three, open up the Vacay whitening strips box. There are 20 whitening strips in there, one for the uppers and one for the lowers, which equals out to 10 days of whitening. Enough whitening for 10 days. Now we will open up the first pack for day one. The longer strip is going to be for the upper teeth and the shorter strip is for the lower teeth. Step four, my biggest tip is to make sure you get your teeth as dry as possible before you place the whitening strips on them. So either go like this or simply wipe them down with a clean towel. And then once the teeth are dry, you can apply the strips to your teeth. Strips have a difficult time sticking properly if your teeth are all saliva, spitty, and wet, so you want them to be dry. These strips do better than most strips that I've used in the past, so if you forgot to dry your teeth, they'd probably be fine since they are super thick and durable, but you might as well do all the things correctly, right? Now we're applying the uppers. And for the lowers, you want to put the longer part in the front and the shorter part wraps behind. Now, step five, relax for 30 minutes. It says right there on the instructions. Obviously, don't eat or drink anything. Try not to really talk much because you'll get more saliva flowing and all spitty if you're talking. I usually like to just watch a TV show, scroll on my phone, or work on my computer. Time goes so fast on your phone scrolling though, don't it? Literally, I look up and it's been 30 minutes. And now, step six, after 30 minutes, you want to remove the strips. And you might want to do this over a sink or a trash can because there's going to be a whole lot of goop and spit in your mouth. So you can spit into the sink, that would be better. Step seven, after whitening, this is when I prefer to brush with a sensitivity toothpaste. Preventatively, my teeth don't get sensitive often, not even when whitening, but some people do. So it's worth using sensitivity toothpaste just in case. It has happened to me before, but it doesn't usually happen. I will link all the products I'm using in the description box below. And then lastly, step number 8, try to avoid stain-causing foods and drinks for the next 24 hours. If you're doing the entire 10-day whitening journey, then sometimes it's hard to avoid your morning coffee or tea for a whole 10 days. So if you can't avoid, no worries. Just make sure to drink through a straw and always rinse with water after having any stain-causing foods or drinks. And now I'm done with my day one of whitening. If you want to follow along on my 10-day journey, I'll link that video of mine below, along with a bunch of other whitening instructional videos of mine. And for more toothy tips, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, do all the things. And until next time, I'll see you on Instagram @TeethTalkGirl. Peace, love, and teeth white.